Hi. So when you're doing a design rule check, you have to check your schematic in OrCAD. When you're doing the check, you might run into some errors. So let's resolve that. In this design, we have an A-staple multivibrator, and we'll go to PCB, make sure the DSN file is selected, go to PCB Design Rules Check. You can change a bunch of different things here. I'll go with the default settings and hit run. Okay, sure. Yeah. We'll see the messages in the session log. The session log is extremely important and useful. So let's drag this up and see. You can change the command window, DRCs, online DRCs, but let's go to session log and then scroll down and up and whatnot. And then starting from the top here, from the most recent design rules check, see where it says that. It lets you know what things that it checked for. If it has any warnings or errors, they will show up below these titles or categories. So, report for invalid references. Okay, checking incorrect pin group assignment. Other parts in this package have different values. Oh, okay. So they're talking about pin group assignment, and they're saying that the other parts in the package have different values or PCB footprints. Okay, D1. Let's look at D1 then. Where is D1? Oh, there it is. Alright, so I'm going to right click and edit properties. Now, most likely, I'm going to need to modify this part, the part itself, but I just want to see other parts in this package. Really bizarre. Let's right click and then edit part. This is homogeneous. Part numbering is numeric. Part reference prefix. Section count 1. Okay. We probably have this issue because of multiple parts having the same reference designator. That's not good. So let's change the reference designators. Alright, so you need to go to your design tools and then choose annotate. I'm going to reset all the references to question marks. Then go to tools again and annotate. Then incremental reference update. Then click yes, click OK. Great. Now when I do my PCB design rules check, at least I won't have the same parts with conflicting things going on. Alright, open the session log window and see what we've got in the most recent design rules check. So I like to start from the bottom and then scroll up to the last time it says design rules check. This lets me know this is the most recent one. And checking incorrect pin group assignment. Okay, so OrCAD Capture was getting confused because D1 on this schematic page called PCB and D1 on this other schematic sheet or page called AMV they had the same reference designator. So it was confusing that they are part of some same package, but actually they're homogeneous parts, meaning that there's only one part per package. They're not heterogeneous, but because they had the same reference designators, it got confused. So there are no issues. The problem was the reference designators. Okay, so before you do a design rules check, always make sure that you annotate your schematic so all of the reference designators have unique designators. If they're going to be part of the same, especially if they're going to be part of the same schematic or page, even if they're different along here, ensure they have different reference designators. Alright, thanks for watching.